This video is to show you how to import new contacts into MyEmma to make sure that your newsletter is going out to all the new volunteers and families. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get an updated report from Salesforce that has all of your students or volunteer email addresses on it. So one that you could use is this dashboard called BA Demographics. And it has total students and a total volunteers report. It's important to always refresh it every single time you do this to make sure you have the most updated report. So I'll wait for this to load. Once it's loaded, you'll click into the report, and you should, just check the filters and everything. San Francisco student, inactive equals false. This has all their emails, and so you would just go to let's see, export details, and you're going to export it as a Excel sheet. Actually, you could do the CSV because I think that works a little bit better. So click export and it should be downloading here. And then you're going to go into MyEmma and you're going to go to audience. And you're going to look for the lists that you typically send to. Well, actually, I think we'll just go to add manage imports here first, and then later we'll select which group we want to add them to. So this shows all of the recent imports. So here we're going to import contacts, and we're going to choose a file. So I can just pull this in here, or I guess it'll work better if I do like this. I'll go to my downloads, and I think it was this 271. Open. So just leave everything as is, and then continue here. So yeah, ignore record type because all we need is the name and the email, so that looks good. Continue. So here's where you're going to choose the list that you want to add it to. So there should be like a, oh wait, no, that's add. So I guess you just have to search it here. And there might be like a, it looks like there's, oh, these are the resends, but I think what you'd probably be looking for is like Bay Area families. I don't know what that would be called, so I'm just scrolling through all these. SFB, families, let's see. Okay, well, for the purposes of this, I'll just create a new group, but if you have one that you use every time, you can just update to that one. I'll scroll down one more time just to see if I can find it. BA family, so here it is. So BA families, so I'm going to check that. And it says that right now we have, what did that say, like 175 contacts. So we're going to continue, and it's just making me check the information that we want, and then we'll go to import. And it looks like your import is currently in progress. So now next time you go to your campaign and click BA families or whatever that list was, it should have the updated list. You're going to want to do the same thing for volunteers, and I would, in that dashboard we were looking at, yeah, just make sure that the fields that you want are there. Really all you need is the name and the email. So please let me know if you have any questions. This is really important to do every time you send out your newsletters. Thanks.